So in theory, you could have used someone else's vacuum and navigated it around their home to see whatever you wanted to see.
Or launching deep cleaning at 4:20 for everyone? Yes.
Software developer Sammy Asdufel was building an app to hack his DJI Romo smart vacuum. He wanted to use his PlayStation controller to make it move. But in the process, he accidentally uncovered a major security flaw. With the help of an AI chatbot, Sammy discovered he could also access what he says were roughly 7,000 other vacuums, allowing him to get their approximate locations and even remotely control other people's vacuums. He could also see through other users' live camera feeds and hear through their vacuums' microphones, features typically in place to help the vacuums navigate around a home and respond to voice commands.
When it happened, my wife started to hide the camera from the robot because she was scared. I don't know, I freak out or scared. Sorry, this make me laugh for nothing, but why they gonna put a microphone in a vacuum? Like, I don't know, I don't get it.
Sammy immediately reported the flaw to DJI. After some back and forth, the company fixed it. DJI did not respond to a request for comment from CNN. But Sammy says there's an important takeaway here for consumers thinking about buying any smart home device.
Let other users being a beta testers before you. So the company will fix the issue before you buy it.